Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. This is your 5-minute morning yoga. Let's come to a seated position. Drop both legs over to the left side, keeping the knees bent, and then the right side. So we're just taking some windshield wipers here, side to side. Let's do one more, and then we make our way into a comfortable seated position with the legs crossed. Slowly drop your right ear over towards the right shoulder, placing your right hand on top of your head and reaching your left arm out to the side. Let's switch sides, dropping your left ear to the left shoulder, bringing your left hand on top of your head. Lower your left arm out to the side as you drop your head back, chin to ceiling, and bring your chin towards your chest. Again, let's drop our head back. And we bring the chin into the chest. Now walk your hands forward, coming into a forward fold. In this forward fold, I want you to sway back and forth, releasing any tension that you may feel in the spine. And we slowly start to roll up. Flip your palm, grabbing onto the right fingers, pulling the fingers back for a wrist stretch. And now let's switch hands, just stretching that left wrist. Slowly start to take some circles with the hands and the wrist. And now let's switch directions. Lower your right hand to the mat, coming into a side body stretch, lifting the left arm up and over. Let's straighten that left arm up to the ceiling, opening the arm, and then closing it, reaching for the floor in front of us. Again, let's reach up with that left arm and reaching down. And we come back to center, making our way into our side body stretch, bringing the right arm up and over to the left side. Again, let's straighten that right arm up to the ceiling, reaching up and reaching down in front of us. Again, let's reach up with that right arm, really stretching open and close it. Coming back to center. Let's take a head circle, so you drop your right ear to your right shoulder and make a big head circle all the way to the left side. And let's just reverse that, taking our head circle the other way. And now let's come into a butterfly position, bringing the soles of the feet together. And just moving our legs up and down, moving the knees and the thighs up and down, and then walking the hands forward for a forward fold. We come back up, straightening the legs out in front of us, shaking the legs out a little bit, and walking the hands forward, coming into our forward fold. Let's come back up, placing our left hand behind us and twisting in the torso, maybe feeling your back crack a little bit. And we go on over to the other side. We make our way back into our cross-legged position. Slowly sweeping the arms up overhead and bringing the hands to heart center. Let's take a deep breath in and out through the nose. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including more classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.